Welcome to Clueless Kitchen. I promised that I would start showing you the healthy things and not just what I cook. So this is lunch. It's got, on the bottom, there's avocado, tomato, cucumber, yellow pepper, and a lot of sprouts that I made that last week. Onion, garlic, olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper. And this is heavenly. I mean, I could show you eating it, but I don't have to tell you how amazing this is going to be. And it's got everything right there. So good. So this is part of the healthy, the organic side that I never really showed you. So bon appetit. I think I was eating out too much and forgetting to enjoy the lifestyle I love the most, which is primarily raw food. So good. All right, I'm going to enjoy that now.